Hey, Jamey, I'm not making any money. What should I do? Rule number one, make sure you have a profitable treatment model, or as some people say, business model. What is that? Well, you need to be making considerably more money per hour than it's costing you to deliver care. Pretty simple, right? Well, what is that number? The number is 3. 3 times of what it's costing you to deliver care, you should be collecting per hour on average. For instance, if it's costing you $40 to deliver care, you should be collecting at least on average $120 per hour. If you're paying $50, it's $150. So that's really just the rule of thumb. I've never seen a practice that's doing 3 times not be considerably profitable, but I certainly have seen practices that have really bad treatment models, like 1 an hour, and they're making like $85. There's just not enough money to deliver care. So you're going to absolutely have to change that or find other ways to increase the amount of money you're making. Hope that helps.